Welcome to the How to Install iGrass Fitting Guide video. This guide covers the most common artificial grass landscaping application, the replacement of a natural lawn. You'll need to have the necessary fitting equipment listed to complete the installation to a high standard. This includes a turf cutter, a compactor plate, a blower, a stiff brush, nails, a wheelbarrow and a cutting knife. Just follow these few simple steps for a next generation fake lawn. Step 1. iGrass must be fitted into an edging, such as a patio flagstone, block paving or timber, to prevent the base material from breaking away underfoot. If no existing hard edge is in place, please install our iGrass steel edging. When installing the edging, apply a liberal amount of post mix into a beveled channel on the inner edge. This will help eliminate weeds and worm casts at the perimeter and also stabilises the edging system. Step 2. Cover the area with Type 1 stone. A 1-ton bag will cover an area of 10 to 12 square metres, depending on ground levels. Then blind off the Type 1 stone with 30 to 40 mm of 6 mm granite dust stone or similar. This provides a firm and stable base allowing good drainage. Crown the baseworks. This allows for natural settlement and aesthetics and ensures the grass dives into the edging system. This will make it look natural, and in the event of the base settling, you'll not end up with a crater effect. Step 3. Apply the iGrass weed membrane directly on top of the granite dust. Nail the weed membrane in position using 4-inch galvanised nails to stop this from blowing and moving. We don't recommend fine granite going directly onto the weed membrane. Step 4. The artificial grass must be laid in the same direction if using more than one section. iGrass products are supplied on 4 metre and 2 metre roll widths. You'll also need to consider wastage factors for this reason. Step 5. Tips on jointing the grass. When jointing the artificial grass, it should run parallel. When you get your roll of grass, it may have the salvage piece on one or both sides of the grass. This is left on only for protection in transit, so it needs to be removed. Using a sharp Stanley knife, cut the salvage strip off with the first 3 stitches, as this will give a clean joint, making sure that you only cut the backing with the tip of the blade. Please note, you can't joint onto a salvage piece. You must use the iGrass jointing tape and adhesive. Once you've prepared your joint by cutting back the 3 stitches, place the jointing tape, shiny side down, directly under the 2 pieces that form the joint. A good tip is to nail the jointing tape in position to stop it rolling back up or blowing in the wind. Glue a line of adhesive 10 mm each side. Fold the artificial turf onto the adhesive, making sure not to get any glue onto the yarn. In the event of you getting any glue onto the grass, remove immediately with white spirit. Leave a small gap of 2 to 3 mm between the 2 sections for the best join. Nail the joint every 700 mm using 4-inch galvanised nails, as this will hold it in position until the glue sets. Step 6. Trim the grass in at the perimeters using a sharp Stanley knife, and where possible apply a bead of adhesive onto the inner edge of the edging system to secure. Alternatively, nail around the perimeter using 4-inch galvanised nails. Step 7. Sand infill. This is an important step in the fitting process and adds to the authentic look of the finished lawn. Using a stiff broom, brush the grass up against the pile. Split a bag of kiln-dry sand, 25 kilograms, and disperse the sand evenly over the iGrass. One bag will cover an area of 4 square metres. Brush the sand into the iGrass. You can also use a garden blower, as this will push the sand into the thatch of the iGrass. If you feel lumps underfoot, then use the garden blower to get rid of the uneven sand. It's very important to always apply the kiln-dry sand in dry weather. This is the final step in the process. If you require any more fitting advice, please visit www.iGrass.co.uk or call us and request to speak with an installation specialist.